In this video, I will share with you top 5 best cordless vacuums review 2024. So, let's start. Number 1. LARESAR Elite 4 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the LARESAR Elite 4 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate home cleaning companion. With a formidable 400W motor and exceptional 33 kPa suction power, it effortlessly eliminates dirt and debris. The smart double display provides real-time cleaning data, enhancing your cleaning experience. Equipped with a capacious 1L dust cup, this appliance ensures uninterrupted cleaning. Its versatile handheld design allows you to tackle every corner of your home. Elevate your cleaning game with the LARESAR Elite 4 and enjoy a cleaner, more convenient living space. Number 2. HD Cordless Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. Experience a new level of cleaning efficiency with our cordless wireless vacuum cleaner. Boasting a powerful 400W motor and 33 kPa suction strength, it swiftly removes dirt and debris from various surfaces. The intuitive 5-speed HD touchscreen offers customizable cleaning options, while the 55-minute runtime ensures ample cleaning time. Its removable battery, Aspiradora, guarantees uninterrupted cleaning, and with a sleek design, it's a perfect home appliance. Make cleaning a breeze with this advanced cordless vacuum cleaner, enhancing your home's cleanliness and convenience. Number 3. Lectrex Cordless Hard Floors Cleaner. The Lectrex i7 Pro Cordless Hard Floors Cleaner is your go-to solution for effortless and efficient cleaning. Designed for multi-surface cleaning, it tackles hard floors with ease. This lightweight, cordless vacuum cleaner boasts a smart control system, making it a breeze to operate. Whether you need wet or dry cleaning, the i7 Pro delivers exceptional results. Keep your home spotless with this advanced and versatile cleaning tool that combines convenience, performance, and intelligence in one compact package. Number 4. Wireless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Meet the Wireless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner, your solution for a spotless home and car. Equipped with dual motors, this 150W powerhouse delivers impressive 10 kPa suction power, effortlessly eliminating mites and dust. Its built-in LED light ensures no speck goes unnoticed. Designed for cordless convenience, it's perfect for both home and car use. Say goodbye to dirt and allergens with ease using this efficient and versatile electric sweeper. Keep your surroundings clean and healthy with the wireless handheld vacuum cleaner. Number 5. S15 Cordless Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the S15 Wireless Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate cleaning companion. With its robust 450W motor, it delivers an impressive 30 kPa of suction power, making quick work of dirt and debris. This 5-in-1 cordless wonder seamlessly transitions from vacuum to handheld sweeper or mopping machine. The built-in LED display keeps you informed, while the handheld design ensures easy maneuverability. Effortlessly tackle every cleaning task with the S15 Wireless Vacuum Cleaner and enjoy a spotless home. Thanks for watching.